Hey guys, we're back with another luxury haul and I am partnering with Farfetch on this video. If you're unfamiliar with Farfetch, they carry over 3,000 of the world's best brands, including Valentino, Balenciaga, Balmain, Jacquemus, Stella McCartney, Chloe, and many more. I have organically shopped at Farfetch on my own for many years, probably since they existed, and this collaboration is very genuine, so I am very ecstatic to be partnering with them again on this video. So the first piece from Farfetch is this Ferragamo bag that can be worn crossbody or as a clutch. It came in this dust bag. We know how I am about my dust bags. So this is the bag, and it also came with this strap to wear crossbody, which was sealed in this, and I'm going to remove this right now. So the crossbody strap has these little clasps. That way you can remove the strap if you wanted to carry this bag as a clutch. Here's the bag up close. Here's the bag on crossbody. They also have this bag in other colors as well. I'm going to remove the strap so I can show you how this would look carried as a clutch. I like how it has a zipper opening so that all of your items inside are secure. And inside is actually quite roomy. You could definitely fit a cell phone, wallet, a smaller wallet of course, lip balm, car keys, all of the necessities. So here's carried as a clutch. There's also this way of carrying a clutch. I just prefer this way. I also really enjoy how this is very versatile, so you can wear this crossbody or as a clutch, and it can also be dressed up or down contingent on the occasion and which way you choose to style this piece. And again, they have this in multiple different colors. I will link this one below, and then you can explore if you wanted to opt for a different color if you were interested in purchasing this. The quality and just the appearance of this appears a lot more beautiful in person as opposed to the pictures. I'm not sure how it's coming up on camera. Hopefully it's picking up how gorgeous this little clutch crossbody bag is. Next item is this twilly from Ferragamo. I really enjoyed the versatile aspect of this item as well. So you can wear it this way, which is a floral multicolored design, or you can wear it this way, which is a zebra design. So I really liked the versatility of this item, and I have been trying to expand my twilly collection as I have seen them being worn as necklaces in multiple different ways. So I think this will come in handy for multiple different uses or stylings, and I also just love the pattern of both sides of this twilly. Recently I wore a scarf as a braid, and I posted that to my Instagram story and TikTok as well. I think that video will be up on TikTok by the time you guys see this video. I also wore one of my twillies as a necklace, so I really like the versatile aspect of this given it's reversible, and it also can be used for multiple different things. You can tie a twilly around your bag, or you can wear it as a headband for your hair, as a braid for your hair, a necklace, multiple different uses for this as a really cute accessory moment. Next are these gorgeous Camilla shorts. The photos did not do these justice. They have a very pretty embellishment at the bottom, which I did not notice in the photos. I believe they are silk, and the quality is always there of course. And I purchased these in a size extra small. Typically I would be a small. They do look a little large, so that's why I opted for the extra small. So if you were my size, 5'7", you weigh around 115 pounds, I would definitely opt for an extra small. I love Camilla's designs. I love this little chain design on these shorts, and the quality of course is always there. So I thought these were very cute. They're also lightweight, so these would be perfect for warm weather locations. So that's it for the Farfetch portion of this haul. I do have a discount code for you guys, 10% off if you are a new customer, and this code does have some exclusions which I will link below. However, it does work on the 3 pieces that I've shared and those brands. There are some brand exclusions, but it works on most brands, so I definitely recommend that you guys check out Farfetch and use that code if you do. It also works on sale items, which is really convenient. You can receive an extra 10% off if you found something in the sale section as well. I will have the 3 items that I've shared with you guys from Farfetch linked in the description box down below. I highly recommend that you guys check out Farfetch if you have yet to check them out. They carry over 3,000 different designer brands. They have so many different items to choose from, very unique pieces. Some of my most unique pieces in my wardrobe are from Farfetch, so I highly recommend you guys check them out. Their prices are also sometimes slightly lower because they're shipping things from boutiques in Europe where the currencies are a little different if you reside in the US like myself. So I highly recommend you check them out. Next I have an Alexander Wang dress to share with you guys. This is not part of the Farfetch partnership, but you can purchase this from Farfetch. They do sell this dress. I know this is a little risque, however, I do not plan to wear it alone. I know it looks a little bit like a chemise, something you might wear to bed. This is indeed a dress that you wear out. I really liked the lace aspect, and the reason why I liked this dress and opted to purchase this is because I saw Stella McCartney had one kind of similar. The price range was like I think it was 5,000 for that dress. I'm not spending that on anything besides a handbag, so I definitely thought this was a little bit more budget friendly. This I think is around $400, $500 on Farfetch, and I really liked the little rhinestone addition to this dress, and the way that the Stella McCartney one that I saw was styled was with a jacket over it, so I do plan to wear this not alone with a jacket over it. So I think styled correctly, maybe a little bit of a heavier jacket over would be really cute, and then with maybe little boots or over the knee boots or something, provide a little bit more coverage, because I do not like having, you know, being revealing with my attire whatsoever. So I do plan to style this where it's covered up a lot more, but I really liked the lace aspect and it reminded me a lot of that Stella McCartney dress. And the back is just a zipper. It is similar to the way that chemises look, but I don't believe any of my chemises have a zipper. This is intended to be worn out and about. That's how it's styled on the model. That's how the Stella McCartney one was styled. I know this looks risque. It will be styled correctly so that it is less revealing. But I loved the lace. I loved how it's like a neon light green. I also love the little rhinestone element here, and styled right, this can be worn out, and I think it would have a really edgy, stylish look to it. So I really liked this piece. I believe I opted for a size 4. Yes, I opted for a size 4. So typically in dresses I'm a size 2 now because I've lost some weight since last year, and I think I was a 6 last year. So I did opt for a 4 because of it being a little bit more revealing, and I have a larger breast area. So the 4 definitely looks like it's the right size. I think a 2 would have definitely been a little small. So with long sleeve dresses and dresses that are maybe a little stretchy, I would opt for a 2. This one's definitely form-fitting, there's no stretch in it, so I opted for a 4. Next is this Ferragamo bag. Farfetch carries this bag, and they also carry this in black. I have the black one as well, but I don't have it with me at the moment to share with you guys. I just have the white one at the moment. They have a pink one. I believe they have like an orange-red one. They had several different colors, and I think this bag, for the price, I believe this bag is around $500, maybe $600 for the price. It's definitely worth it. The clutch, I believe, is around $700, $800. I just thought for the price, this is so adorable. I also like the versatile aspect. I'm always looking for versatile aspects with pieces. So you can wear this crossbody, and you can also adjust the strap on this one, or you could wear it, if you remove the crossbody strap, can I speak, then you can just carry it as a cute little tote moment. Or I guess a miniature tote. Surprisingly, this bag can actually fit quite a bit inside of it. I have tested it. It fits handy wipes, a cell phone, hand sanitizer, car keys, lip balm. It fits all of the daily necessities. It's quite roomy, as well as the other Ferragamo bag I shared earlier in this video. This one does not have a zipper closure, but it has this little clasp, and it's not very, it would be a little difficult, you know, it's not, nothing's going to fall out, so it's definitely secure. The bag's also very good quality, as most of Ferragamo's products are, so I thought this was a very good option. Again, love the versatile aspect, and I will show how this looks on in a moment. So here's the bag carried like this. It actually matches quite well with the outfit I have on at the moment. So I really like this. It's very lightweight as well. I can't really deal with bags that are heavy already prior to even putting anything inside of it, so I really like how this is lightweight, as well as the other Ferragamo bag that I shared earlier in this haul. I'm removing the crossbody straps, which are very easy to take on and off with these little clasps, so that way you guys can see how this looks being carried without the crossbody strap. With this outfit, I personally would wear it crossbody because the sweater does kind of provide a little bit of an edgy look. However, with a dress or something that's a little bit more formal or a refined look, I would definitely carry this like so. Next are 2 pieces from Camilla. I did not purchase these on Farfetch, but if they're available on there, I will link them down below. I believe I purchased the last one of these from the website I did order these from. If I can find them, I will link them. I love these little shorts. These are also silk like the other shorts that I shared earlier, and I love how it has this little bow, and this is also removable, so if you wanted to use this little almost twillish scarf, I believe it's silk, you could remove it and use this separately from the shorts, or as they have them styled with a belt option. So I like that, and there's a little zipper on the back for wearing this. I believe this is in a 4. It was a tad large. I know it's just in a small. It's a tad large on me, but it can be tied with the belt. I may need to take this to alterations. I have so many things I need to take to alterations. But I loved these, and the quality, of course, is there. I believe it's just 100% silk, so I loved these. I also like how they're black and white, So you can wear this with a little black bodysuit or a little white, maybe like tube top, and then with a little black cardigan or something over that, like the little short ones. So I thought these were very adorable, and I love the silk. They also have pockets. Then these pants are in a size small. These definitely need to be taken to alterations. They are slightly too large, I'd say by about one size. So whatever size you are, if you opt to order anything from Camilla, at least pant-wise or short-wise bottoms, definitely opt for a size smaller than you would normally order, because I'm typically a small in majority of brands, but I'm definitely an extra small in Camilla. So I like how these have pockets, and I love this intricate design on the pants. I believe this is silk as well, and the back is like this. I think these are decorative pockets. Yeah, those are decorative. And I love the print along them, and I also like this embellishment on the waistband. So I thought these were very adorable. I also love the quality of these as well. I plan to wear these more casually. You can definitely dress these up or down. I plan to wear them more as a resort wear kind of moment, so with maybe a swimsuit or something. So yeah, I liked these. Next item is this Paco Rabanne bag. Farfetch does sell this bag in a variety of different colors. I opted for a black, so I will be trying it on. It's quite petite, but it fits the necessities if you're just going out maybe from your hotel to go shopping, which is how I personally have worn this, so I have already worn this. Here's how it looks on. I received so many compliments when I wore this out. I wore this in Vegas to go shopping, and the essay at Chanel, Hermes, at the hotel, everyone was complimenting this bag, and I'm obsessed with it. It's very reasonably priced as well. I believe it's like 200, 400, something around there. It's a very petite bag. There is only the crossbody option, but I don't really see how else you would wear it, so that's fine. And I really like this intricate design, and while it's petite, it oddly fits quite a bit of things in it. So when I used this, I carried credit cards, ID, a hotel room key, lip balm, mask, and hand sanitizer in this, and it all fit. It wasn't overcrowded or anything, so I really like this. It's very suitable for if you are at a resort or something and you're just going out and about to go shopping, so you don't really need to carry around extra things like car keys and whatnot. I think it would fit car keys if you didn't have hand sanitizer in it, like I have to carry around because I'm a germaphobe. Or sometimes for petite bags, if I can't fit a hand sanitizer, so a bottle inside of the bag, I will bring the little single-use wet wipes. Those seem to be a little bit more suitable for petite bags, but it does fit quite a bit, and for the price it's very adorable. It also received a lot of compliments, so there's this bag. Next are 4 pieces from the brand Antonella Rizza. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the last part of that brand correctly. These pieces are from Farfetch, so I'm not sure what other stores carry this brand. I'm sure they have their own website as well, but Farfetch carries this brand. So if you opted to order any of the pieces that I'll be sharing with you guys from there, you could definitely order these on Farfetch and receive 10% off. I believe these are still available on their website. I'll have them linked down below. So the first thing is this bikini, and this was called like a laminated bikini, and they had it in this color as well as I believe a green color. Now this is not something I would typically opt for because this is a little edgier. I typically like kind of more plain, like a white or black bikini, or maybe an orange, something like that. But because I don't own anything like this, and it's definitely good quality, I thought this would be something nice to wear during the summer. It's a little bit different than other things that I have. Personal opinion also, when you are opting for, you know, things that aren't just a plain color, it's laminated, or such as this bikini, or it's something where there's this funky pattern going on, or material in general, I think that it's definitely wiser to opt for quality so it doesn't have a chintzy look to it. So I really like the quality of this, and how it's laminated. It doesn't look cheap by any means, so I really like this, and it's very different from anything that I have. I did opt for an extra small. I think that this is something you would definitely want to size down a size if you are normally a small like myself, because this actually looks like a small, maybe even a medium. So, but I really like this laminated effect. I think this is very edgy, and this can definitely be worn different ways styling wise. I like to style my swimsuit outfits when I go to the beach, so I like to have, you know, sandals, linen pants, accessories, jewelry wise, all of that. So I'm excited to style this. Another item from Antonella Rizza is this little pareo. This has an ombre effect. I believe this was on sale as well, and it has a tie. So I really liked for the pareo styling, and I really liked the ombre effect, how it's black and gray. Typically you see ombre more so with colors, so I liked that this was a gray and black option, so you could wear this with a white bikini, a black bikini, or even like something like pink or something, so it kind of spices it up a little bit. So I really like this. It's high quality as well, and again, Farfetch carries these pieces. That's where I received these pieces from. I'm not sure if they still have them, but I will link them down below if they do. Next is this sort of wool cashmere cape. I believe the materials are wool and cashmere, but I'll have the product linked below. It definitely feels high-end, and it has a hood on it as well. So what I thought this could be used for would be like an airport moment or something. I like to have hoodies in the airport because if my hair is clean and maybe I've freshly washed it intentionally for vacation, I don't then want it getting dirty on the airport seat. So I like how it has a hood, so that way you can tuck your hair in here, get some sleep on the flight, and not have to worry about your hair getting dirty from the seat or anything. So that's how I intend to wear this. It's very long as well, so you can wear this with leggings and it will cover up your behind and everything. I believe this is one size. Yes, it was one size, so they didn't really have sizes for this. It's very large and roomy, so you could definitely layer up with this as well. So I thought this would be a nice alternative to wear to an airport or just in winter climates in general, as opposed to wearing like a hoodie that's more casual and less refined looking, I guess, to the airport. So I really liked this. It's also very long. It would definitely fit anyone that's a size like small to large, anything like that. So last item from Antonella Rizza is my favorite. This looks so gorgeous on. I believe this is in a small. Yes, this is in a size small. I've already tried this on. It looks gorgeous on. It has this very pretty sort of sparkly effect to the material, and it has this little cinching thing in here. So as I tried it on, I noticed that you could definitely pair a belt with this, or very like layered necklaces is how I would style this. I wouldn't wear it alone, but I also wouldn't maybe overdo it with accessories because it does have this little sparkle glitter effect in the material, and it's a jumpsuit, so it goes all the way down to your ankles. I thought this was very different than anything I own. This is something that you can kind of wear maybe to a summer, like a dinner in the summertime or something, or this could even be worn to like a Christmas party or something. So I thought this had different occasions that you could kind of dress this up or down for. Last thing in this haul are these shorts from the brand called Frame. I listened to your guys' recommendations, and one of you guys recommended that I try this brand out for denim. I think several hauls ago now, but I didn't really like anything at the time until I saw these shorts. I'm not sure the style name. Le Vintage Short is the style name. And I believe these are a 26. Yes, a 26. So these are the shorts. I thought these were very suitable for summertime, and I also needed new denim shorts because my other ones do not fit me. So normally I would be like between 25 and 26. This brand seems to run a tad small, so I'm glad I opted for the 26. So these are these. Thank you to whoever recommended this brand. I love these shorts. And yeah, so that's these. That's it for this haul. Again, make sure you guys check out Farfetch, and I'll have that 10% off code on the screen again for you guys to use as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you to leave any recommendations for any brands you guys think I should try out, or any types of videos you want to see from me in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.